Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some silicone foam dressings that Dimora did send me and did compensate me to make this video. So these are really important. I love bandages. I'm a bandage fanatic. I think bandages are so important, especially when you have those really deep cuts and you need a good absorbent bandage. And the silicone foam dressing is probably one of the best ones out there. It's great absorption. They work well, and they have different sizes from 2.5 inches to 7 inches. So this is a 4x4. And this is a box of 10. This is what's in here. So let's open this up. I'm going to show you what it looks like, give you a quick idea. And actually, I'm going to apply it to my arm so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So the dressing comes all pre-packaged, as you can see here in this container, in this dressing right here. It's all sealed. So everything is all good to go. If you need a bandage, you just rip this open and basically apply it. So let's take this out of the box, out of the package here. And you can see here, we figured out how big it is. It's a nice large patch. Super important to take a look at. I want you to see the close-up of this patch, how it is. It's got a big pad here, very absorbent silicone. What's good about this, it doesn't pull your hair. It doesn't rip out the dressing. It doesn't injure when you're trying to heal. That's the idea behind this here. So it's soft on the skin, doesn't rip and doesn't pull. I'll show you open it up inside here. I'm going to show you this, what it looks like that. Let's take a good look at this, and you can see the quality, how this is made. Really, really super quality. Again, doesn't overstick. It doesn't hurt. So it's going to actually apply this to my arm. I'm going to show you how it looks when I apply it. And large dressings are important. I love large dressing. Again, this is a 4x4 inch total circumference. And here is my arm. So I'm just going to place it, let's say, in my inner arm here. No, I'm going to put it over here, actually. Let's put it right here. And say you have a pretty good gash on your arm, or you're just trying to protect yourself, you can see it goes on super smooth and super easy. I love how it feels. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. So I'm just going to take it off. Let's just see how it comes off. Just peel it off slowly. And I have a lot of hair in my arm, as you can see. I have a lot of hair. So when you're changing your dressing, wow, look at that. That, my friend, is amazing. Didn't pull my hair. That's super important. You know how painful that is, guys. It is painful. So this does not pull your hair. So I'm a huge believer in that kind of product. Dimora did a great job. So if you have an injury in your arm, definitely you can see my hair is still in my arm. I have a lot of hair. So if you're hairy or not hairy, doesn't really matter. You need maximum absorption for an injury of some sort, whatever it may be. Definitely, this is the way to go. It absorbs moderate to heavy drainage. That's what it says on the box. 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters is the size, and I think this is a fantastic product. Again, there's 10 in this box. There's different configurations. Take a look online, see what they have. All kinds of configurations, all kinds of sizes. When you want something that doesn't pull and doesn't hurt, I'm pretty impressed with this, I have to say, Dimora. Great job. Thanks for sending it to me. And you know what? I'm a believer, and I'm going to buy your product because I think this is fantastic. I think it works well, and it's exactly as it says. It didn't pull my hair off my arm, as you can see. Easy to change, maximum absorption, which is what you want with a nice silicone foam dressing. I'm a believer. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please follow along for more. I have all types of videos on the channel. Take a look at everything on here, and hopefully you learn something, and I want to educate you and bring you things like this to help you make a decision, because you really can't tell what it looks like when you're looking at it online. You just don't know. So this way you can see it, how it works. I demonstrate it, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.